Hello everybody, this is my website. The background I have here is a sunflower because sunflowers are my favorite flower. So these are a few buttons that you can click to navigate you to different pages. If we click on the My Education, it actually just takes you back to the same page because my education is right here. I have provided a map of Stockton University right here. This just has a little slideshow, a short slideshow of my future. So basically, it just states that it shows that I graduate from Stockton with my bachelor's in health science in December, and then my future career is to be an occupational therapist, and I would like to work with children with autism. Over here, I have a quick question for the viewers of my website. What age groups do occupational therapists work with? And then if we keep going down here on the left-hand side, I have a few of the tools that we utilized in the Gen 2243 course this semester. So I have the social media etiquette tool, and if you just click on this button, it actually brings you to my social media etiquette blog. The same thing for my storytelling, it brings you to my storytelling blog. And then over here on the right hand side, I provided you guys with some great occupational therapy links. One of my favorite is the American Occupational Therapy Association website. This is a very reliable website, very well used by occupational therapists. If we go back, there's just a few more. This website right here just teaches you or shows you different skills that an occupational therapist would work with with children. So it has it here, different skills for when they're growing up. And then this last link that I have here just describes the different skills that an occupational therapist would focus on with adults versus children, because there are different treatment methods and skills that they focus on. So that's this website here. If we go back to the top and we look at my SmackDowns, so I just gave a brief description that, a SmackDown is a recorded demonstration and a voiceover of some useful tools. It demonstrates how to use the tool and how it can be useful in your personal and professional life. So I provided the numerous SmackDowns we did during this course. We have the Good versus Bad website. I'm not going to play that. And then the other two also bring you to the SmackDowns I created for the Web 2.0 tool and the Todoist tool. So now if we go back to my list right here, we can go to the About Me page. I really loved this background that that Weebly provided for us, so I used this background. Right here, I provided a quick LinkedIn button, so it's easy access to be able to come to my LinkedIn page and just view it. And then if we go back, I actually provided the introduction video from our course to this page because I thought it fit perfectly. And then if we go to the blog page here, I actually just provided the link right here on this button to my blog. So when they click this button, they'll be able to view all of the blogs that I have written. Just a very simple and fast link for my viewers to view. And that is my website. I hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed making it. Thank you. Bye.